I don't think I've been as excited to open a box since I got my 3060 Ti at pre-tariff, pre-scalper prices. So that was a great deal, of course. So this is a 3050 bought on launch day from Newegg. Thank you, Newegg. And thank you, Newegg Canada, for not having shuffle. So here we go. Oh yeah. And if you're gonna get a value budget GPU, I really think this is the way to go. So in Canada, we only had the one choice, right? I mean, on Newegg, we had the one product as far as I can tell. Look at my tweets for a video of me actually buying it. But yeah, 3050, here we go, looking good. And unlike the 6500, should actually have some performance in it. You know what? Since I've gone this far, I'm going to go all the way and open her up. So here we go. I'm already seeing brand new inbox on Kijiji, which for you Americans is Canada/Toronto's Craigslist. You know, it's always interesting why one platform is used in one area rather than another. So yeah, graphics, Gaming X 3050. Now, forgive me, but I'm very picky about this kind of stuff, so I am very careful when I open these, because I want, oh, I see how this is going, because I want this to last a long time with a quality experience. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Some documentation, and here it is. 3050. Looking good. I mean, everybody watching this video, I mean, I'm a nobody, so if you've gotten to this video, you've watched every other 3050 video on the planet. MSI, Gaming X, let's take a look. Oh yeah, a little bit of RGB, 8-pin connector. I cannot wait to bench this. Well, in a future video, you will actually see the results of that benchmarking. And that's it for now.